Splitwise simplifies splitting expenses among friends or groups by following these steps. Create a group or add friends. Start by creating a group for the expenses you want to split or add friends individually. Add expenses. Enter the details of each expense, including the amount, category, and who paid for it. You can also add a description or attach a receipt for reference. Allocate shares. Specify how the expense should be divided among the group members. Splitwise offers various options, such as equally, unequally, by percentages, or by shares. Review and confirm. Double check the details of the expense and how it's split among the group members. Once verified, confirm the expense to add it to the group's balance. Repeat. Continue adding expenses as they occur, ensuring each one is accurately recorded and divided among the participants. Settle up. Periodically review the group's balances to see who owes money or is owed money. Group members can settle their balances directly with each other, either by transferring money or settling in person. Notifications and reminders. Splitwise sends notifications and reminders to keep everyone updated on pending expenses and balances. Track payments. Track payments made outside Splitwise and manually record them to keep the group's balances accurate.